Strange, she is not taking up my calls. I'm sure she's in trouble. I can't understand. Where is she? Shri, pick up the phone, please.
Sit. Here, slowly. You got severely injured. You must be in severe pain. Drink some water. Drink it. She got severely hurt. Where is my phone? Have you seen my phone? I have to call my family. I think the phone fell down somewhere. Yes. Please go and check if you can see her phone. I think her phone must be laying near the accident spot. Please go, please. Oh, you don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
Please, answer the phone, please. Please, Shri, please.
Hello?
Hello? This is Sritama's phone. Who are you? I'm coming. I'm her husband. I'm coming, okay? Okay. No, don't let her move.
Please sit here. We have called your husband. He's coming. Don't go anywhere, okay? Sit here.
There was no need for all this. I'll tell him not to come. But you, listen.
Shri, what is this? How did you met with an accident? Shri, are you okay? You could have told me that you wanted to come here.
Ratul.
Where did you got hurt? Tell me.
Ratul, calm down. It's not a serious wound. And there was no need for you to come here. I could have gone home.
Shri, please tell me what has happened. How did this happen? Where did you got hurt?
Leg. She's not able to walk.
Okay, Shri, sit here. I'll get the car.
No, don't do that. It'll be difficult to get the car here. I'll be able to walk if you hold me. Please hold me.
Okay, get up. Get up slowly. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Will you be able to walk? Give me the phone. Easy. Slowly.
Slowly.
Shri. Listen to me. Sit here. I'll get the car. Please.
No, Ratul. You can't get the car in this lane. I'll be able to walk if you give me support. I'll manage. I'll surely manage.
You will never listen to me. Slowly.
Ouch.
Shri. Wait.
Ratul! What
Just
are you
keep
doing?
your mouth shut. How can you go home like this? Acting smart, huh? Quiet. I hope it's not hurting. Huh? Does it hurt?
I'm okay.
Okay. Your bag.
Take this, her bag.
Oh, thank you. You've done such a great favor. Thank you.
No, it's okay. You take care and stay carefully. Okay? Thank you. See you.
Come. Easy. Easy. All good? We have to go to the doctor first and get an X-ray done.
It's not serious.
Let the doctor decide that.
Okay, listen. Books on robotics are available in one of the stalls. They have the book that you're looking for. Let's buy the book first.
Is this the reason you came here? You didn't come here for yourself. I'll take the book later. It's more important to go to the doctor first. Okay?
Mithai, Siddharth. Come in. Siddharth, did Ratul call you? Actually, I don't know the details about Sri's condition, so I could not inform you. Understood?
What are you supposed to inform? I don't get it.
So, have you come without knowing it? Shri was involved in an accident.
What?
Accident? What do you mean? What happened to Sister Shri?
Where is Shri, Rajiv? And where did she get hurt? Let's go right now. This is why I always say that one must walk carefully on the road. Where did she go? Why didn't Ratul drop her?
How can I drop her, Sid?
Shri,
What happened?
Sri,
Your sister doesn't want any help from me. She only wants to help me.
will you tell me what happened?
sit
What
down, sit
happened,
down.
Sri?
Shri went to College Street to get a book I need.
What?
This is not a serious injury, Ratul. It's just.
Shh. Keep quiet. Brother, she's not able to stand. The doctor has advised her crepe bandage. He has also given medicines. She has escaped narrowly or...
Shri, where did you get hurt? Please tell us.
It's just.
You always act smart, Rajiv. These are the things I dislike. I came here to thank Ratul. Ratul gave Mithai the address of the laptop service center. Mithai went there and got my laptop repaired. I came here to thank Ratul for the favor. But after coming here, I see her in this condition. Your genius has also met with an accident today. She fell down from the bicycle and cut her hand.
What?
She got knocked down by my car. Ask her. Shri, are you okay? Are you fine?
Yes. Believe me, I'm absolutely fine. But Sid, today Mithai saved you.
Actually, new brother-in-law Ratul has saved me. I know nothing about laptops. Sister Shri, if you had not got injured, then I would have told Siddharth to give all of you a treat. Do you know what? Siddharth's company has bagged a huge order because of him. It's a deal worth a huge sum of money.
Really?
Nanda, I'm feeling little dizzy. What's happening? Can you please tell me? Siddharth has come to visit us with Mithai. Ratul entered the house carrying Sri in his arms. Am I alive?
Hey,
You're right, Brother Rajiv.
Am I?
Yes.
I see.
Of course. You'll watch many more things. Get ready for it. Shri, put your feet on the table without saying a word. Mithai, please help.
yes.
Put your feet on the table. Come on.
Hey, Mithai.
What happened?
Ratul, please give it to me. I'll do it myself.
Again. The doctor has asked me to place the feet at a particular angle and then tie a bandage. Why don't you listen to me? Your Shriyatama doesn't listen to me. She's so disobedient.
Sister Shri, he is right. Why are you so disobedient? Come on, put your feet up. Didn't you hear what Brother Ratul said? Put your feet up slowly.
Look who's talking. Look who's calling her disobedient. She went out on her bicycle to get my laptop repaired. Look how she got herself injured. Look. Come on. I'll show it to you. 1 second. Come on, show it to me.
What?
Show it to me. Hey, here. Look at this.
If it hurts, tell me. There's no need to bear the pain silently.
Well, Nanda, I was thinking, will we get tea or coffee now? I mean, the situation seems to be under control.
Yes, I will make it. Actually, Mom and Nipa are also coming.
Really?
I informed Mom about everything. Actually, I was so nervous after hearing about Shree's accident, so I.
That's it. You did it. It's nothing serious, Nanda.
But it could have been serious, Sister Shri. Did Brother Ratul bring you home from there after getting the news?
Sri, how did you walk through the streets? I mean, you were hurt, right?
What are you saying, Rajiv?
What did I do?
Oh no.
It's obvious Ratul lifted her and brought her. Why do you even need to ask? You saw it.
Aha, Siddharth, there's a huge difference between seeing and hearing. Understand this. Sri, am I right?
Shri? Where is Shri?
Yes, she is.
What has happened to Shri? Mithai?
Mom, darling.
Shri, are you okay? What happened to
Hey
you?
Shri, how did this happen? Which car knocked you down? Please tell me, are you okay, Shri?
Nipa, relax. Shree's okay now. She's all right.
Yes, Sister Nipa, she's all right. Brother Ratul has managed everything. Don't worry.
Did you see the outcome of informing everybody, Nanda?
Oh my. I was so worried after hearing about your accident. Thankfully, I didn't say anything to Dad.
Aunt,
Yes?
you have done a wise thing by not informing Grandpa.
Okay. Shall I say something? It said that's all's well that ends well. Look, many unpleasant things could have happened, but they didn't because the Lord helped us. Mithai, what do you say?
Yes, absolutely. Hail the Lord.
Then I too shall say something with the Lord's blessings. I mean, we saw some really beautiful sights today. And we also heard about the big order that Siddharth has bagged. Since we have managed everything well, why should we forego a nice feast? Mithai, what do you say?
Brother-in-law, I was also saying the same. Sister Nipa, say something.
Okay, fine. I'll give a treat. I'll give everyone a treat. But not today. I have to go home on time today. My boss, Mr. Ghosh, will come home to discuss some important details. He wants to talk to you too, Mithai.
Hey, Siddharth, I suggest that all of us go to home today. What do you say? I'll make some food for all of you. How is this idea, Rajiv?
Awesome, excellent.
Ratul, will you be able to come with Shri? Hey, Shri, I was saying, why don't you stay at home for a couple of days? All of us will be there to take care of you. You'll get well soon. Come, my child.
Well said, Aunt Opa. This is a good idea. Anyway, grandfather's grandson didn't thank Brother Ratul properly even once. Invite brother Ratul. Give him treat later. Today aunt is going to cook for them.
They're welcome if they want to come. Um, Ratul, thank you for everything. Please come if you can. I mean, if Shri is in the condition to walk, then come home.
Shri, Brother Rajiv, Nanda,
I am ready to go. Me too.
I'm always ready. Let's head to Manohara.
Hail the Lord!
Hail the Lord!
Mom? Dad? Where are you? Look who has come.
Mithai. I have a request. Why don't you
Yes.
arrange some hot tea and also some snacks along with it? It will be fun. I didn't get a chance to have a cup of tea since evening. So many things have been
I'll
happening.
get tea for you quickly, Brother Rajiv. I will go and freshen up quickly and make tea and snacks for everybody.
All of you can eat that fried stuff again, right?
Oof.
Disgusting.
Hey, listen. Today is a happy day for us. Don't stop us. Go to your room. We will send your special tea to your room. Go.
Sounds better.
Mithai, don't pay attention to what Sid said. You do what you have decided. Ratul will be here any moment with Sri and Nipa. Got it? And Nanda, let's go and meet Grandpa. Let's go.
Yes.
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Where are all of you? All of you come down quickly. The snacks are getting cold. Yes, why not? Don't
Where
worry.
is it? Where? Aha, hot snacks. My, oh my. Mm.
I'm making green tea. I'll get it for you.
Mithai,
Yes.
sir has almost arrived. You come on, hurry up. Where's Grandpa? Grandpa? Grandpa?
Hey, Sister Nanda, tell Aunt Opa that I have made all the arrangements. Please go and check it. I'll take out Indian sweets for Uncle. Take? Okay.
What? Mom.
Uncle.
oh my.
Uncle has come home after a long time, isn't it, Grandfather?
So tell me, Mithai, how are you? You have not only saved Siddharth's prestige, but you have also saved my reputation. Mr. Siddheshwar Modak, your granddaughter-in-law is a champion. Thank you, Mithai.
Hey, all of us know it. Most of us accept it openly, the others do it secretly. They don't say anything, for example.
For example, our Siddharth, right?
Yes.
No. Today he has accepted it before everybody. Right, Siddharth?
So you wanted to say something.
Oh, yes. Siddharth, after today's successful deal, the company has decided to hold this year's award function in Kolkata.
Award? What award?
I guess it's the award for the best employee. Absolutely right.
Yes, Grandpa. Actually, every year PCG hosts an award ceremony to facilitate its best employees. It usually takes place in Mumbai or Bangalore. They give a cash prize and a trophy to the winner. I think it's the first time it's happening in Kolkata, right, sir?
It's only because of you, Siddharth. Actually, we feel that there are high chances that you will be given the award this year. He has won this award before also. But this year it will be special because this is my last year of service. It will be retirement for me this year. Siddharth, I really want this time you should win this award.
Sir, how does it matter if I get the award or not? At the end of the day, I've bagged the order. There can't be any bigger achievement. At least that's what I feel.
Sir, my brother is always the best. You would have bagged this order. Your lot. Even if laptop wouldn't have got repaired.
No, Shom. If I hadn't retrieved the presentation on the laptop on time, I couldn't have done anything. Anyway, sir, you were going to say something about the party. Please continue.
Oh, yes. Mr. Modak, actually, we host a very grand party after every award function. And the function will be held in Kolkata this year. I want the arrangement should be grand in every aspect.
Of course. After all, we have a grand tradition. Food is the most important thing.
Yes, but I want you to take the charge of the dessert.
You mean the charge of the entire dessert section? Look, it's not that easy. Actually, Grandpa, this is going to be a huge party. It's of a different magnitude. Do we offer enough varieties, Grandpa? I don't think so.